1, 2, 3, 4. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, this hot summer has got me down. You could fry an egg on the street. Heat waves are wiggling on the sidewalk. Cops are dropping like flies on the beat. I need a new lover to take me in, protect me from this humid air. Be it from Brooklyn, Staten Island, or Queens, I don't care. I don't care. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you're the man for me. You can't pour me a glass of Perrier. You can't fan my fevered brow. You can't rub me down with alcohol. That ain't enough. No how. You can lay me in a tub of ice. You can stand me in a cold shower too. But if you don't have an air conditioner, I will not go home with you. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your ego may be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man for me. Oh, make me an offer I can't refuse. You say you live by the Hudson River, and a breeze rolls through your door. Well, honey, if you don't have a unit in your window, I don't want to hear anymore. You say you live in a penthouse, got a terrace with a view of the night. Well, that's swell, but I really must tell you, an air conditioner's
a much prettier sight.
It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you're the man. You're the man. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your might be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you're the man. Oh, you're the man. Oh, you're the man for me. You are the man for